If you're passionate about keeping your lawn neat and tidy without the hassle of gas-powered equipment, EGO Power lawn mowers are some of the best choices available. Known for their innovative, battery-powered designs, these lawn mowers deliver both powerful performance and convenience. Whether you're tackling a small backyard or maintaining a larger garden, EGO mowers provide the reliability and performance needed to achieve a pristine lawn. Number 1 EGO Power Plus LM2130 SP 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawn mower. The EGO Power Plus LM2130 SP is a top-tier choice for homeowners looking for a cordless, eco-friendly lawn mower. It delivers high performance without the hassle of gas or noisy engines. This model features a 21-inch deck, making it ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. It's powered by a 56V ARC lithium battery, providing you with long-lasting power and endurance for various terrains. The self-propelled feature ensures ease of use, even on sloped or uneven lawns. Plus, the rapid charger ensures that you can get back to work after a short break. Aside from its power, the LM2130 SP stands out for its convenience and easy maintenance. With its 3-in-1 function, you can mulch, bag, or discharge clippings, depending on your preference. The deck size ensures fewer passes, saving you time while maintaining efficiency. The lightweight construction combined with its sturdy design makes it a solid choice for both professional and novice gardeners. You no longer have to deal with gas spills, carburetor cleaning, or annoying engine starts. Just a push of a button and you're ready to go. Key features: 56V ARC lithium battery that provides superior runtime and power. 21-inch deck size for effective mowing of medium lawns. Self-propelled function that adjusts to your walking pace. 3-in-1 functionality, mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Weather-resistant construction, designed to last through seasons. LED headlights for early morning or late evening mowing. Foldable for easy storage and transport. Number 2 EGO Power Plus LM2101 21-inch 56V cordless lawn mower. The EGO Power Plus LM2101 offers a blend of performance, convenience, and sustainability. This mower is powered by a 56V ARC lithium battery, ensuring excellent power output without the drawbacks of a gas-powered engine. The 21-inch deck allows for efficient mowing across small to medium lawns, while the cordless design provides freedom of movement. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and comes with a push-button start, so no more pulling a cord endlessly. The battery is compatible with all other EGO Power Plus tools, which adds convenience if you already own their products. The LM2101 comes with a 3-in-1 function, allowing you to mulch, bag, or side discharge grass clippings. Its design ensures even cuts, making it ideal for homeowners who value the aesthetics of a well-kept lawn. The weather-resistant body is built to endure outdoor conditions, making it a reliable choice for different seasons. As a bonus, the noise level is minimal, giving you the luxury of a quiet mowing session. Key features: powered by a 56V ARC lithium battery for longer run time. 21-inch deck provides excellent coverage for various lawn sizes. Lightweight and cordless for easy maneuverability. Push-button start eliminates the hassle of pulling cords. 3-in-1 functionality, mulch, bag, and side discharge. Foldable for compact storage in garages or sheds. Low noise operation for a quieter mowing experience. Number 3 EGO Power Plus LM 2021 20-inch 56V cordless lawn mower. The EGO Power Plus LM 2021 is perfect for smaller lawns but still delivers robust performance, thanks to its 56V ARC lithium battery. With a 20-inch cutting deck, it's ideal for navigating tighter spaces or lawns with intricate landscaping. This model also features a push-button start, making it easy to operate. The construction is lightweight but durable, ensuring that it can withstand long-term use while being easy to maneuver. This mower is great for eco-conscious homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on lawn care quality. One of the standout features of the LM 2021 is its precision cutting system. The blades are designed for optimal grass collection and fine mulching, leaving your lawn looking professionally manicured. Like other EGO mowers, it's versatile with its 3-in-1 functionality, allowing you to choose between mulching, bagging, or side discharge depending on the condition of your lawn. Key features: 56V ARC lithium battery provides enough power for small to medium lawns. 20-inch deck size allows for precision in tighter areas. Push-button start for quick and hassle-free operation. Lightweight yet durable, built for long-term use. 3-in-1 cutting function for versatile lawn maintenance, mulch, bag, discharge. LED headlights for better visibility during early or late hours. Folds compactly for simple storage and transport. Number for EGO Power Plus LM 2142 SP 21-inch dual-port self-propelled lawn mower. The EGO Power Plus LM 2142 SP takes performance and convenience to the next level with its dual-port battery system. This feature allows for extended runtime, making it a suitable option for larger lawns or properties. The self-propelled function is adaptable to your walking speed, so mowing is more effortless, even on inclines or rough terrain. The 21-inch deck provides a wide cutting path, reducing the number of passes needed to complete your lawn. The LM 2142 SP stands out for its battery efficiency, as it automatically switches to the second battery when the first one depletes. With its 3-in-1 function, you can easily mulch, bag, or side discharge grass clippings, catering to your lawn's needs. The weather-resistant construction ensures that it will hold up in different outdoor conditions, and its LED headlights provide visibility during low-light conditions. This model is an excellent choice for those who need a powerful mower that won't quit halfway through the job. Key features: dual-port battery system for extended runtime. 21-inch deck for efficient mowing of larger lawns. Self-propelled technology that adjusts to your pace. 3-in-1 functionality, mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Weather-resistant design for year-round use. LED headlights for mowing at dawn or dusk. Compatible with all EGO Power Plus batteries and chargers. Number 5 EGO Power Plus Select Cut LM 2135 SP 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower. The EGO Power Plus Select Cut LM 2135 SP is a premium model that offers top-tier features for homeowners who demand the best in lawn care. Its Select Cut multi-blade system allows you to choose between 2 blades for either superior mulching or high-efficiency bagging. The 21-inch deck ensures wide coverage, making quick work of larger lawns. Equipped with a self-propelled function, the LM 2135 SP adjusts to your walking speed, making mowing less physically taxing. What makes this model stand out is its customizable cutting system. The 2-blade configuration allows for a cleaner, more precise cut, enhancing the overall appearance of your lawn. Like other EGO models, it offers a 3-in-1 functionality, letting you decide whether to mulch, bag, or discharge clippings. The self-propelled function, combined with its weather-resistant body, ensures a comfortable and durable experience regardless of weather conditions. Key features: Select Cut multi-blade system for superior mulching and bagging. 21-inch deck for faster, more efficient mowing. Self-propelled function for ease of use. 3-in-1 functionality, mulch, bag, or side discharge. Dual battery slots for longer runtime and efficiency. Weather-resistant body for durability. Compatible with all EGO Power Plus batteries and tools. Conclusion. These top 5 EGO Power lawn mowers offer excellent choices depending on the size of your lawn and your mowing preferences. Whether you need a lightweight model for a small lawn or a robust, self-propelled mower for a larger property, there's something here for everyone.